Hey everyone, Bruce here with the DIY Homestead Project channel. Welcome back for another session of practice TIG welding with the Prime Weld 225X. I've got a new pair of gloves. I actually bought a pair of Vulcans at Harbor Freight. I did have a pretty nice set of gloves, what I thought was pretty nice, ordered on Amazon. They said it was going to take another couple weeks to get them, so I canceled the order. I kept that link to those gloves because I think they're pretty good. However, I've never used them, so I'll put the link to those gloves in the description if you're interested. Also picked up my VSX welding shirt, and I'll put the link for this in the description as well if you're interested in looking at that. But these Vulcan gloves, some pretty good reviews on these, and these were like $1 more than the gloves I was going to get off of Amazon. I don't remember what brand those were, but these are working pretty good. So what I'm going to do today, this will be practice with the filler wire. I think I might have got the arc shot situation sorted out thanks to a good YouTube friend. He's got a fantastic channel. I'll put a link for his channel in the description as well. He's got some really good welder reviews of some of the cheaper welders and some not so cheap welders. He's a pretty darn good welder himself. Go check it out. He's a real super nice guy. He helped me out a ton to get my camera settings set up so I could do these arc shots for you. So I hope you enjoy the arc shots. I hope you enjoy the video. Today I'm going to run these with what I've been using before. I've got a 3/32 tungsten number 7 cup. This is just your standard consumables. It's not a stubby or anything. About 15 cubic feet per hour. I think it's measured per hour on the argon, and 120 amps set on the machine with a foot pedal. And that's what happens. I blew a breaker. I was getting a little bit offline anyway, so maybe that's a good thing. Alright, I'm just going to pick up where I left off. We'll see how that works. Not good. I made it right to about here when it tripped the breaker the first time, and then to here for the second one. I think I know what the problem is with running that machine on the 110. I have it set up right now with a power strip, and the power strip's plugged into the wall. I didn't blow the breaker, I just kicked off the power strip. I probably shouldn't be running it like that. Just need to plug it directly into the wall. I was going with that power strip thing just because it was easier to plug and unplug the machine into. And we'll try it again. Got some of those habits of breaking the arc from the stick welding, because I don't need to do that with this. I just want to keep it right down there so I can get the gas flow. We'll try one more. 5-inch weld without stopping. We'll see. All right, we made it. And that power strip must have been the problem there, because it didn't kick out. I don't know how long that took, but half a minute. Let's do one more. Fairly straight. I looked at some of the arc shots. It looks like they're coming out pretty fair. Those of you who know how to TIG weld and have some experience with that, let me know what you think. Just shoot me a comment and tell me what you think about the distance between the tip of the tungsten to the weld. I think it looks like I could tighten that up a little bit, but I'm afraid to dip it in the molten weld pool, because I know it's going to create, I'll have to stop and grind. But let me know what you think. Straight, uniform, and tighten up the arc. Those are my goals on this one. After this, I'm going to start doing some joints, some lap joints and T-joints or something, corner joints. That machine goes up to 147 on TIG off of 120 outlet. That's pretty cool. We're set at 130 now. that was better. Straightened it out a little bit too. Let you look at this one. Well guys, my phone's just about to run out of storage, so let me shut that off. We'll stop here. Thanks for sitting in with me, guys. Any tips and advice or hints or things you see I'm doing wrong in the any of the footage, let me know. I'm trying to learn how to TIG and trying to improve every time I sit down. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and we'll see you guys on the next one.